Welcome to Beautyistic. You're here because you want skincare that works, right? If you've struggled with finding the perfect moisturizer for dry, thirsty skin or hair, you know how challenging it can be to find a product that truly delivers. Well, let me introduce you to a versatile game changer, SheaMoisture's 100% virgin coconut oil nourishing hydration. This little gem promises to soften, restore, and hydrate your skin and hair with the power of coconut oil. But does it live up to the hype? Keep watching to find out. SheaMoisture's head-to-toe nourishing hydration is a 14.5 ounce jar packed with 100% virgin coconut oil. Known for its nourishing properties, this product is designed to tackle both your skin and hair, making it a two-in-one multitasker. It claims to leave your skin feeling smooth and hydrated without that greasy afterfeel. Perfect for anyone with dry skin, combination skin, or even those with sensitive skin, as it promises to deliver moisture without irritation. Plus, it's free from parabens, sulfates, phthalates, and mineral oils, so it's a great pick for those who are particular about their product ingredients. I've been using this coconut oil on both my skin and hair for the past few weeks, and here's what I found. The texture is surprisingly lightweight and absorbs into the skin faster than I expected, which is a win if you're not a fan of that heavy, greasy residue some oils can leave behind. For dry skin, especially during colder months, it's a godsend. It hydrates beautifully, leaving my skin feeling soft and nourished. I used it as a body moisturizer, and it was gentle enough for my face and hands too. As for the hair, I applied a small amount to the ends of my hair to help restore moisture. It made my hair feel softer without weighing it down, which is something I look for in hair oils. The coconut oil doesn't feel heavy or greasy at all, so I didn't have to worry about my hair looking limp. I was impressed by how smooth it made my skin and hair feel without that heavy, oily feel that's often associated with coconut oil-based products. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the formula is clean and it's fragrance-free, which is a huge win for those with sensitive skin. The multi-purpose nature of this product is a major plus, as it cuts down on the number of products you need in your skincare and hair care routine. The fast absorption is a major strength, and the fact that it's made with pure coconut oil means your skin and hair get top-quality hydration. But no product is without its drawbacks. While I love that it's free from sulfates, parabens, and phthalates, some people with very sensitive skin might still have a reaction to coconut oil. It can be comedogenic for some, meaning it may clog pores, especially for those prone to acne. Also, while the product is definitely moisturizing, it might not be heavy-duty enough for extremely dry or cracked skin. If you need something thicker for deep hydration, this might not be the best option for you. When it comes to value for money, I think this product is definitely a good deal. You get a large amount for the price, and because it's so versatile, it can replace multiple products in your routine. Whether you're using it as a body moisturizer, face cream, or even a hair conditioner, the 14.5 ounce jar should last you a while, making it a solid investment for anyone with dry skin or hair. In comparison to other similar products on the market, SheaMoisture offers a fantastic option, particularly when you factor in the clean ingredients. Some other coconut oil-based products can be more expensive, and they often come with added fragrance or fillers. SheaMoisture keeps it simple and pure, which I really appreciate. Now, if you're looking for alternatives that might fit a different budget, there are other coconut oil-based products like Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Body Lotion, or even Kiehl's Cream Decor, though those are a bit pricier. If you're not set on coconut oil, you can also explore other hydrating oils like argan or jojoba, which can offer similar moisturizing benefits. I also want to take a moment to shout out to SheaMoisture's customer service. While I didn't have any direct interaction with them for this review, I've heard great things about their responsiveness and their commitment to sustainability and clean beauty. They are a brand that truly listens to customer feedback and continuously works on improving their formulations. To wrap things up, SheaMoisture's 100% virgin coconut oil nourishing hydration is a solid pick for anyone looking to hydrate and restore dry skin and hair with a clean, versatile product. It might not be enough for those with extremely dry skin, but it's a great option for everyday moisture and upkeep. I highly recommend it for anyone with dry or combination skin, or if you're looking for a natural, all-purpose moisturizer that gets the job done without the heaviness. Thanks so much for watching, and if you're interested in grabbing this product, the link is in the comments below. And if you've tried it, drop a comment and let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.